Back to my channel. So in this video I just want to share with you a very easy autumn makeup look, well, mainly the eye makeup look. Now this is so easy to do. I didn't use a lot of products, I didn't use that many colors. I think the most I used is like 3 colors and 1 highlight color. So yeah, and I think this would be great for like Christmas as well, because it's kind of nice and vibrant, and it's kind of soft on the, like, to look at. Make a really great like poison ivy or a mermaid kind of a makeup look. And speaking of makeup, Halloween is coming up and I'm going to be doing some Halloween looks as well. So yeah, so if you would like to see how I created this look, please carry on watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe below, and I will see you in the video.